Have you ever needed to edit a PDF, ask it questions, or translate it instantly, but you don't want to install anything? Well, I have some great news for you. PDFelement Online is here. Now you can edit PDFs, chat with AI, and use our AI translation directly in your browser. No downloads, no installations, and best of all, it's completely free to use. Let's take a look at how you can work smarter, faster, and more flexible using PDFelement Online. First up, let's talk about editing. With PDFelement Online, editing a PDF is as simple as working in a Word document. Once you upload your file, just click on Edit PDF to get started. You can then directly click on any text, make corrections, update wording, or change formatting right from your browser. You can also adjust fonts, align paragraphs, resize headings, and more. Need to replace an image or a company logo? Just click and swap it out with your own. No special skills needed. This feature is perfect for fixing typos, updating business documents, revising resumes, or tweaking any content without starting over. Now let's take a look at one of the most exciting features, Chat with PDF. This AI tool lets you interact with your documents like you're having a conversation. Once your file is open, head to the Chat with PDF panel. From there, you can ask it anything. Want a quick summary of a 20-page report? Just ask. Not sure what a certain paragraph means? Ask the AI to explain it in simple terms. Need to pull out a specific date, name, or number from a complex contract? Done. Instead of scanning line by line, the AI finds what you need and gives it to you instantly. This is a huge time saver, especially for students, legal professionals, or anyone dealing with long documents. Next up, we have the AI Translator. Whether you're working with international clients, preparing bilingual documents, or just trying to understand a foreign language file, this tool has you covered. To get started, click on the AI Translate tab. Then select the language you need. It could be Spanish, French, Chinese, or whatever you need. And then click Translate. Within seconds, your content is available in the language you chose. Accurate, clean, and easy to read. This is especially useful for global businesses, academic research, or travel-related documentation. There's no need to copy and paste into another app. Everything happens in one place. What makes PDFelement Online so powerful is that all of this happens right in your browser. You don't need to download or install anything, and it works on any device, a PC, a Mac, a phone, or a tablet. You can start editing a PDF at work, ask questions about it while on the train, and finish translating it at home. It has everything you need: editing, AI reading and translation. It's all bundled into a clean, browser-based interface. This isn't just convenient, it completely changes the way you work with your documents. So let's quickly recap. PDFelement Online gives you the power to edit your PDFs in your browser, chat with any document to help you understand and summarize it faster, instantly translate content into multiple languages, and all from one online platform. No installations, no complexity, just smart tools that work where you work. Are you ready to give it a try for yourself? Click the link in the description below to access PDFelement Online for free. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.